Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to create single dimension array. Structure of single dimension array is in either vertical or horizontal. Here I have some data from A1 to A15. First I want to define an array. After that, I would like to insert values into that array. Open VBA. This is the complete code. Through this program, I want to insert first 5 rows into that array. So I want to insert up to 5. Press F5 to start the debugging. First I define an array. This is the array name, single dimension, and it denotes about index number, or we can term as array size, and it is the data type I mentioned as string. Based on this data type, array allows the data. If we mention as string, we have to insert the data in form of strings only. Next I am defining input worksheet. Here I am using for loop which starts from 1 and max value of the loop is 5. Next I am inserting the data into array. Now I inserted the data into array. Now first part is completed. I am able to insert the data into that array. And next part is I would like to retrieve the data which I inserted into that array. Every array should return L bound and U bound. L bound denotes about lower bound, U bound denotes about upper bound. Press F8. Here L bound returned as 1, means I mentioned option base as 1. If I mention option base as 0, L bound returns as 0. U bound denotes about max index number of array. Here U bound returned as 5. In this case, index of array started from 1 and ended with 5. Again I am using one more for loop here to extract the data from array. Min value of the for loop is L bound of array and max value of the for loop is U bound of array. Press F8. First index of array is 1. Second one is 2. Third one is 3. Fourth one is 4. Fifth one is 5. In this way, we can create single dimension arrays and insert the data, subsequently extract the data. Now let us see how to create single dimension array by considering option base as 0. Here we can find few changes when compared to previous program. Here I considered option base as 0, means indexing starts from 0 and array size is constant. Previously I mentioned as 5 and in this program also I mentioned as 5. Min value of for loop I considered as 0 instead of 1. This array stores 6 values, whereas array in previous programming stores only 5 values. Now let us start the debugging. First to define the worksheet. After that I am inserting the values into the array. R is 0. Here L bound returned as 0 means indexing started from 0. And U bound returned as 5. Now I am extracting the data from array. Min value of the loop is L bound of array and max value of the loop is U bound of array. Zero index value is 1. Here we can find I is equal to 0. First index value is 2. I is equal to 1. 3, 4, 5, 6. By considering option base as 0, we stored 6 values in this array. This is the way how we index the array individually. Means previously I extracted the value through for loop. This is the way of extraction individually. In this way we can create single dimension array and insert the values into that array, subsequently extract the values from the array. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.